Looking at the cameras in the studio, it looks kind of foggy right now downtown, but it's like nice in other parts, right?
Yeah, there's some spots where there's some sunshine. Really, though, what I'm mentioning is that we don't have much rain. We haven't had rain all week. It was a beautiful week, going all the way back to Friday. It's been 3 days. Yeah, usually this is a graphic that I use in the summer when we have extended periods of time, you know, maybe 50 up to 55, something like that. But 3 days in January when it's been so wet and we've been above average is really saying something. And it was really nice to have that dry weekend. We could go back through our observed rain. There's that stretch of time, the 14th there, through the 16th. We had a couple other days, but somehow we're still over 4 inches of rain here for our January. That's because we had a very, very wet start to the month. And you can see that we're still above normal, even with this stretch of time from the 8th to the 16th, where we haven't really had much measurable rain, but you know the chance rain is going to go up here shortly, right? It is a little bit, probably as we go into late tonight, heading through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But then we may set up another extended period of time where we have some dry days, maybe even more than 3. Look at that as we look at the extended forecast. Now, this is this model data, so we have to be a little wary about it as we get to those extended periods of time there that are beyond 5, 6, 7 days. But note that there isn't a significant change in the weather pattern, likely outside of what we have going on maybe just for our midweek. I'll show you on the weather pattern. We have this broad area of high pressure extending through. We'll have a weak disturbance roll on in, kind of clips us. By the time we head into about Wednesday and Thursday, it's passing on through. And then we have another ridge develop, and it sticks around for days, which means it's just going to be persistent high ridge. It's just going to shield everything out of us. It's going to take the storm track to the north of us and to the east. So it may be cold on the other side of the United States. You kind of see that drop right there, whereas we have this massive ridge. So it's good that we've had the snowfall up on the mountains because it doesn't look like we're going to see much over the next 7 days. And it's also nice that we have seen the rain so far this January because it doesn't look like we're going to see much as we have just this large area of high pressure that, again, kind of acts like a force of blocking away things. Okay, so here we go. We have some nice camera views. Here's Portland. Yeah, some fog, and McMinnville, some fog, but we did mention some locations, maybe some sunshine. There's Kalama. You can see the blue sky to the north. Sure looks nice. I'm hopeful that we'll see some of that this afternoon around areas of Portland and throughout the Willamette Valley. And there's Lincoln City where there's some clouds there in the distance. Rain to the northwest. It's on its way. It's going to arrive late tonight into Tuesday morning more so. I don't think we'll see that much rain here today in the valley. It'll probably start for the Oregon coast, though, closer to about 9, 10, 11 p.m. tonight. You see plenty of shower activity off to the north there. All right, Futurecast will help show that. Watch what happens as we go through the overnight and get to about 10 p.m. there. Here's those light rain showers. We get to early tomorrow morning, and there we go. Very scattered. It's not going to be consistent. It's just going to be a morning where we have the scattered rain showers. You may even avoid some of the rain. On and off through the day, not very wet for our Tuesday, but we do have a second surge of moisture, which should arrive on Wednesday. You can see that right here by Wednesday evening, and then again on Thursday. And so it's going to be both of those that will probably bring in some more rain for us. But we have a rain shadow forming. What is good news about Thursday's event is more so that we'll probably get snowfall than the rain here in the valley. I'll take you through the forecast rain total for the remainder today. We may get about 1/10 of an inch, but Wednesday's going to bring in some rain and maybe a little bit on Thursday, even with that rain shadow. If we're lucky, we may finish the week with about 1/2 inch of rain. I think it's overplaying it just a little bit. I think that rain shadow is going to kind of take on over, but we'll see what we can get for our Wednesday. Okay, here's your 7-day forecast. Yeah, we may get to about the upper 40s today. Again, if we could kick out that fog, we'll get the sunshine that we've had this morning. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday rather, those temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s with some showers. And then we have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday back to another nice weekend. Jenny, have you been taking advantage of them?
Not really.
No?
No.
It's so nice.
I was
so
like painting inside this weekend. I'm like, why am I doing this? I could be outside.
Did you at least see the sunset yesterday? Because it was like pink. And
I did,
okay,
yes.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, I saw, and Saturday night too, I was out picking up, takeout, and I saw people were like outside the restaurant taking photos. So
yeah it was that nice. So,
Mm-hmm.
okay, good.
All right, we'll be right back with more news and a last